Hello and welcome to Crossings Through History. Today we'll be looking at the Grove Street grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub in Kewanee, Illinois. I originally photographed these signals in May of 2019, and at the time they had a pair of older WCH era signals from the BN days. These appear to have been installed sometime in the late 70s or the early 80s, and likely replaced a pair of WRS gated signals. When first installed, they had 12 by 20 inch federal signal frames with incandescent lights, WCH gate mechanisms, and likely a WCH or WRS mechanical bell. As of 2019, the original mechanical bell was replaced by a GSE bell, most likely a Type 2. The same light frames were still around, but the lights were upgraded to daylight ball LEDs inside of the frames. The crossbucks and track signs were replaced, and the original WCH gate mechanisms were replaced with USNS Model 95 ones. The USNS mechanisms gave the crossing the appearance of an early 2000s BNSF install rather than a BN install. Here's the relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. This was likely installed with these signals in the 1970s or early 1980s. In early 2020, BNSF completely overhauled the crossing with brand new Siemens signals. This was one of several crossings in Kewanee to get all new signals in 2020, replacing all crossings that didn't have Siemens mechanisms already. These new signals feature GS Type 3 E-bells, 12 by 24 inch Satran frames with daylight ball LEDs inside of them, Siemens bases, Siemens gate mechanisms, 4-inch Rico LEDs, NEG crossbucks and track signs, and GSI gate savers. With these new signals installed, there's now no trace of Burlington Northern heritage left at this crossing, along with most other crossings through Kewanee. Finally, here's the new relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. And this concludes this look at Grove Street. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see these pictures in more in full resolution, click the link in the description for the page for this crossing on Mike's Crossing site.